Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of Z as in treasure. Now we will see some of the examples. Azure, decision, equation, garage, luxurious, measure, occasion, pleasure, rouge, television, treasure, vision. Now we will see the positions. Azure, Z, Z, Azure. Decision, Z, Z, decision. Equation, Z, Z, equation. Garage, Z, Z, garage. Luxurious, Z, Z, luxurious. Measure, Z, Z, measure. Occasion, Z, Z, occasion. Pleasure, Z, Z, pleasure. Rouge, Z, Z, rouge. Television, Z, Z, television. Treasure, Z, Z, treasure. Vision, Z, Z, vision.